how to find active apps and websites you logged in on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find active apps and websites you logged in on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here you will find this one this one here, apps and websites. Click on it and then just wait and click login. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.